Hey Notion world, why are most Notion courses self-guided and asynchronous? We believe Notion is best learned through practice and live instruction, and that's one of the reasons why we've brought the Notion Accelerator to life. Over the past 3 years, Notion Workflow has brought you dozens of templates and tutorials, while Stacked Consulting has helped over 65 clients use Notion to run their businesses. Gray and I started working together in 2023, and even through our different journeys in Notion, we both realized the community needed a new type of training. One with live interactive sessions that guided students through creating their own custom workspace as a way to actually build and practice their skills like any Notion expert. We've designed this cohort to empower Notion builders, business owners, and future consultants to gain the skills necessary to implement Notion into their own lives or businesses. We're catering every cohort around the background and experience of enrolled students so that we're prepared to welcome a wide range of skill sets and interests to meet you where you're at. If you connect with experiential learning focused on building community through co-working and sharing ideas, the Notion Accelerator could be a great fit. Check us out using the QR codes on the left. And as you can see, we have a sneak peek at our syllabus here. You can learn more about us as well. This cohort is meant to empower you with Notion confidence. It centers interactivity, iterative feedback, and group learning, and it values the sharing of ideas, conversations, and both active and passive learning. Being able to talk Notion with like-minded individuals can be a hard thing to come by. But here, with the Notion Accelerator program, everyone has the opportunity to learn from each other, share ideas, and regularly receive feedback from a variety of perspectives. Learning together is going to always be better than learning alone. If you're interested in scheduling a call with us, you can do so on this landing page through the Calendar link. You're also eligible for 20% off using code SMALLBIZ as indicated on the screen. We hope to see you in the cohort, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.